Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making a nice simple recipe of coleslaw. Let's get into it. So starting off with our dressing for the coleslaw, we are gonna combine our mayonnaise, some salt to taste, some light brown sugar. Now you can use white granulated sugar or custard sugar. Now remember, every single ingredient that will affect the taste of the dressing, always add a little bit at a time and taste as you go, because you can always add more but you cannot take out what you've already added. And then we're gonna add in the vinegar. Now I used white vinegar. You can use any other type of vinegar that you might have a preference to. After that, you're gonna mix everything until every single thing is combined and the sugar has dissolved. Remember, make sure the sugar is dissolved. Moving on to the prep of the veggies. Now, you can either use shredded cabbage from the store. For example, the one that I have there was bought from ShopRite, or you can use the head of a cabbage like that for the red one. And on here, I'm gonna show you how to shred the cabbage yourself. Now right here, I'm using a tray instead of a cutting board. Now you can use a mixture of a tray and a cutting board, or just a cutting board. Now I prefer the tray because it collects everything in one place and I don't lose anything to the floor. But again, you use what you have and what you're comfortable with. You do not have to use what I'm using. Now right here, I'm just cutting the cabbage. I'm shredding it. Now be careful as you're doing this. Make sure that you cut as much as you need. All of this, there isn't much of like a measurement, but I will put down a measured recipe on the description box. And right here, I'm just reducing the size of the red cabbage because it was too long. Now I'm putting everything into a larger mixing bowl so that when everything is combined, it's at least in something that's much bigger. And then this is the other store-bought shredded cabbage that has been washed, and then I'm just combining it with the red cabbage. Now on another bowl, I am peeling my washed carrot. Here I only show you one, but of course I did the other ones off camera. And then I'm just cutting off both ends of the carrots. Here are the carrots that I did off camera. Now you're just going to grate your carrots. Do it slowly. This is sped up, and make sure you're being careful. These things are still a little bit sharp, so do not take them for granted. Right there is my grated carrot, and of course did the rest of them off screen. And right there, I'm gonna add my carrots into the rest of my veggies. Right here, we're gonna add on the dressing. Now if your dressing is not enough, don't worry, you can always make more. So for me right here, I saw that, you know what, it seemed like the ratio of vegetables to dressing was a little bit low, so all I did was I added a little bit more dressing to it. I made more on the side and then I added it. Again, I will give you the exact measurements at the bottom so that you do not make the same mistakes that I did. But all you have to do is mix thoroughly. Now I see here it looks like I'm not mixing thoroughly, but it's because the bowl is really full. So again, use a good proportioned bowl. And right here I'm showing you when I proportioned it to like a smaller bowl and what it will look like. And if you want the base testing one, please put it in the fridge overnight. It tastes so amazing. The flavors complement each other. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.